Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have an elevator that lifts 551 kilograms at a steady speed of 13 meters per second. We want to find the minimum power for the motor to lift the elevator. The answer is E, 70.3 kilowatts. Okay, we can skip step 1, there is no free body diagram. Step 2, list the given variables, find the unknown. So mass is 551 kilograms, velocity is 13 meters per second. Step 3, find the power formula. So power is W dot is equal to mass multiplied by gravity multiplied by velocity. Mass and velocity is given. We're going to assume gravity to be 9.81 meters per second squared. Step 4, we're gonna plug and play, plug in the variables. Okay, so multiply your mass by gravity by velocity. Make sure you get your conversion factor to get it into kilowatts. So 1 kilogram meters squared per second cubed is equal to 1 watt. Since we want it in kilowatts, we need to divide by 1,000 watts. So we'll get 70.27 kilowatts. We're going to round that to 1 decimal place to 70.3 kilowatts. So as you can see, that's the answer. So that is the minimum power required to lift the elevator. So that's the power rating that you need to select for your motor, or higher, of course. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used it before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.